Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, dollar yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD, and others. So let's get started. So as per our expectation, USD JPY did bounce from the support zone. If you are looking for detailed analysis of the USD JPY, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday because I have done the detailed analysis, and I'll try to keep this video short because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please watch the video I uploaded on Saturday, because in this video I'll simply talk about the important levels and what can we expect from the market for today and tomorrow. Okay, so as per expectation, US dollar, yes, gave us an opportunity in the morning. Honestly speaking, when I was sleeping in the morning at 7 a.m. in India, I just remembered that okay, USD JPY had a good opportunity. Okay, I simply opened my mobile and saw that it was trading at 113.86. I placed an order immediately and I exited also. Being a scalper myself, I have got some patience issues. Being a scalper myself, I exited immediately at 113.91. And I missed the opportunity. Okay, I missed the opportunity of entering, so re-entering again at 113.6, 113.7, because I was sleeping back then. Okay, but still I made some money in the morning while sleeping. After waking up, not sleeping. Right now we can see that dollar yen trading at 113.95. This is the current market price here. And yes, we do have a support here, and if you have an ongoing buy position, long position on USD JPY, then I'll suggest you to be on the trade. No need to exit like me, because I have got some patience issues. That's my personal problem. If you do not have the patience issues, then please be on the trade. Okay, but keep in mind that if you're looking for some day trading opportunity, or within the day if you're looking for an exit, then there are multiple resistances. Okay, there are multiple resistances on USD JPY where USD JPY may face trouble. For example, at 114.05 to 114.10 level, there is a minor resistance at USD JPY. Okay, again at 114.20 there is also a resistance. Okay, there are multiple resistances on USD JPY. So at each and every level, yes, at each and every level there will be some selling pressure until and unless there is good buying power, from the buyers, good support from the buyers. USD JPY, dollar yen will struggle for, on intraday basis. Okay, for on intraday basis. Okay, but yes, I still hope that we still have an upside on dollar yen. If it retraces, then I'll try to look for an buy opportunity again. Okay, and as we have already discussed on the previous video that I uploaded on Saturday, okay, Japanese yen index JXY is almost at the resistance. So in case JXY goes up also from here, there will be selling pressure again, and JXY has a possibility of is almost at a resistance again. So if Japanese yen index, all if price to recover also, there will be resistance and there will be some selling pressure. And keep in mind, if it reverses from the resistance zone here, okay, after some recovery, if it reverses from the resistance zone here, we will see some buying on all the JPY pairs, because this is a good resistance, strong resistance on Japanese yen. Okay, and if you look at the currency strength meter here, JPY is weak today. Okay, that's the main reason why we are seeing buying. Okay, why we are seeing buying on all the JPY pairs, some sort of recovery on JPY pairs, because JPY is weak today. As the day will proceed, we will get to know in which direction JPY is moving. But as of now, JPY is weak and we are seeing some buying on all the Japanese yen pairs. Okay, so again we are back to the USD JPY chart. Keep in mind we have a support zone here at 113.50 to 113.35 level. We have a good support zone. If it comes down also, there is a good possibility of market bouncing from this level. And one more thing, if it comes down, then JXY will be at the resistance. If it reverses from the resistance, it will bounce from the support zone. This is one more opportunity. And second opportunity can be, um, considering the present selling pressure in the market. Okay, you can take a sell position at the retracement. Okay, to be honest, I do not see any good retracement level to take a sell position right now, but yes, you can use any indicator of your own choice. And also you can also use moving average. Usually I do not talk about moving average because I'm not a big fan of indicators nowadays. You can also use the moving average. So moving average is a dynamic support and resistance. Okay, so if market goes up and reverses from the moving average, then also you can take a sell position. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart right now. Buying at the support or selling at a resistance, but that is your call. What I'm saying is that keep your eyes on JXY, and I see an upside on USDjpy. That's it. Okay, bye bye.